Hello, sulululu. Hihi.
La 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 la. Ah. Ah. Apa?
Well, guys, now we are cleaning out. Food. This is not a cat shot. It's bored to stay home. So, guys, now we are here in water park to let's have some chill. See, guys. This is my Google map. Okay, see where you bring? There one. Where you bring? Tell me. I don't know where he took me. He carry me now. See, I don't know again. Rabbit right this one. Just like my money. It go fast. Come inside. Have to take another ticket. Yes. Here we'll go. Just wait. This is gate. You enter from here. Come here. Take another ticket for to go to water park. Yeah. Hello. So now, are you excited? Wait, no, wait. Where is our tala to put back this and that and all? Yeah, no one is there. But if someone steal my things, I'll give them some punishment. Well, you come here, water park. Ticket man, and this is gate. Only gate. Wow. Open, break all. Now we get freedom. See, guys, no one is there at water park now. Our this one our private water park or what? Huh? This one there. This is our private one. We take for one day. See. What? Why so much dirty or what? So, hello guys, now we are here in our private swimming pool. Only our two, you know na guys. What? Hello. Tag like us, guys. We never come. We come only where less people. This is our water park. Oh, yeah. Oh, downstairs anaconda. If we want to susu, silently. Well, no one is there. I'm susuing. Hello, sulululu. Let's go here now. The deep crazier light, we should say then ending. We'll go. Wait, I'm going. See, this is the corner place, guys. If you are 5.2
Yes.
don't come here because if you are 5.2, you come here free heaven ticket because here in the end not for short people. Am I right? This is the ending. You guys, mood on.
You are washing your ass.
We don't have water at home. Like us, we never have water at home.
Our backside there, they're washing their own nip and all.
Like
In our end, we don't have water. Oh my god.
wait. If you want to susu also, susu silently.
Yeah. Keep quiet. Be silent.
Too much salty happen water. Are you susuing? Are you susuing?
No.
Too much water salty happen.
Yes.
Oh, those guys are susuing. I think they're susuing. That's why water is so much salty happen. See guys, what is happening? 1, 2, ready?
La.
Now kids section here. This is not for us, for kids, but even kids section will not escape. Yeah. Let's play. Wow, this is from inside. This is from outside. Whoa. Wow. Stacking, guys. We cannot go smooth. See. Oh my. Why not so smooth, man? Ready, steady, go! Stopping at halfway. See, guys, this is the water park. I go one time this side and one time this side. Now again, let's extend because here not too good for us because less water for kids section, not for adult. And here's a for adult. You can come. Then this is kids section. Other section. Don't nice to jump in here then.
Jump. Heading or what? Wow.
I do. Light speed not nice to jump na over much water.
Yamal phayo na ura.
We jump the video while be careful.
Yamal phayo.
Sidera.
Ura. Ora ni timo.
Everything finished. Taking bath, enjoyment, screaming, trimming, swimming, everything, susuing, everything finished. Now, let's go back and let me end up my vlog here. So, see you on another vlog. Bye bye.